Hey everyone, welcome back to Warner Science. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the research that has been successfully done to rejuvenate aging livers in preclinical study. This is a medical news today episode, so I just thought it was very interesting, and I wanted to come out here and share it because this study was done in mice, and I think they took a sample of human cells as well. But the goal is to essentially reverse the aging process and possibly provide therapeutic benefits towards liver disease and other conditions such like that. The overview is that researchers have been able to reverse age-related damage to liver cells in mice and in human cell cultures in this new study. The study homes in on ferroptosis, a form of iron-dependent cell death, as an age-related process affecting a set of key cells in the liver called hepatocytes, and the authors of the study found gene clusters associated with this process in both mice and human cells. So it's providing insight to where we could possibly end up getting in our scientific methods in order to prevent liver disease and other conditions like that. The takeaway is that essentially it may be possible to reverse the aging affected cells of humans with some pharmaceutical techniques and different methods that need to be still further research, but it's just a positive outlook on something. On the background of the study, a new study in mice and human cell samples finds that it may be possible to undo some of the damage that occurs with aging, restoring the liver to at least partial to health. So if it's at 10% health, get it to at least 45, 50%. That's the main goal, and that's what they tried to do with this study. And the main focus of the study is towards the non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, also known as metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, MASLD. And this disease causes cirrhosis or scarring of the liver's main cells, hepatocytes, and can lead to eventual organ failure. And this is a very common liver disease, and affecting about 1 in 3 adults worldwide. And it is the most common form of liver disease in children specifically. About 100 million people, or 25% of the population, have the MASLD. So it's a very serious liver disease, and it's definitely something that needs to be researched and done more in depth, because currently there's no specific treatment for MASLD or NAFLD except to just maintain a healthy diet and just slow its progression down just a little bit. So this research could greatly help many children and adults around the world who are experiencing this disease. So the study itself, some of the older mice, so this study was done through mice, and they studied 3-year-old mice and 1 2-year-old mice, and they gave it a diet in order to form the NAFLD diet, and they wanted to just test the ferrostatin 1 to see what it would do and if it would slow down the process of the decay. So some of the older mice also received ferrostatin 1 injections while continuing to be on the diet, and this was so research could test the potential therapeutic effects of the drug on aging livers. At the end of the study, the researchers found that liver cells in old mice receiving ferrostatin 1 appeared young and healthy. So their predictions and their hypothesis ended up coming true with what they put into them to the experimental set of mice. So this is just providing great insight for what could likely be our future with this method. And they hope to find findings in a way that they can use this for more therapeutic effects. And there's many researchers out there continuing this research and developing different shots and injections and different ways to slow down this process, like I said. And so I just wanted to come out here and share something interesting that I thought was cool about this thing, about how they've been trying to not only just provide fully eliminate it, but they're trying to slowly bring back the process, because they haven't been able to find like a pill or anything yet. So they're just trying to see if they can slowly reduce that process down a little bit. And I just kind of gave an overview, but I'll put the link to the medical news today link in the description if you want to read more and learn more about this study. So I hope you all found this interesting, and I'll see you guys next video.